Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a bag I received from Face Bags. So this is a high quality replica bag company, and they were kind enough to send me a bag to show you guys. I did an unboxing and a review for it, so I'm just going to show you guys what that bag looks like. If you want to know more information about this, I'm also going to put a screen recording of their website so you guys will see the different bags they have and also check them out if you like. You can also use my discount code, which I'm going to leave somewhere on the screen here, so you guys can use that discount code to get some money off of your order. If you like to see the unboxing of this bag, just keep watching. So guys, I received a package today. It just came in this box. I've already opened it, so this is not like a first impression, but this is like an unboxing for you guys. So it came in this box, yeah, and then it just came in this. I'm just going to put this box aside because this isn't any branded box or anything. It's just an empty box. And then it came in this leather. Yeah. So this bag is from Face Bags. I'm going to leave their link and everything below. I'm just going to while I'm unboxing it for you guys, I'm going to be leaving their website and all of that. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this dust bag, and they specialize in high quality replica bags. This is the Louis Vuitton bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Cane's bag. I've wanted this bag for the longest, so when they reached out to me, this was the first bag I picked, and this is what it comes in. There's another packaging. I need to take this out, and voila, we have the star of the show. I'm just going to take off all of this and then show you guys. If you want to get one of these bags, you can use my code Sarah15 for some dollars off. I'm going to leave the code somewhere on the screen and also in the description bar below, alongside the details of this bag. This is what the bag looks like. This is definitely my birthday bag, y'all. My birthday is this month, in case you guys didn't know. So this is what the bag looks like. So we're just going to open it and see what is inside. I'm so excited about this bag because I've wanted this bag for the longest time. So we have this. These are all just to keep the bag in shape. I'm really excited about this. And then this is the strap, the extra strap that would normally come here, and all of that rather. So there's just this little envelope that says Louis Vuitton. This is it. Yeah, this little envelope. And then we have this little lock, which is pack, which is what the lock comes in. And then just the strap. Okay, that's just it. And then yeah, this is what inside the bag looks like. You guys, this thing feels so good. The quality is hard, and you can tell that this is really good quality. You can barely tell the difference. I'm just going to open all of this, and guys, this is what the bag looks like now that I'm done. Yo, this bag is so pretty. I just put the lock. There was just a space here, and I guess it was for the lock because there's no way you can lock this bag. It has just one zip. So I just put the lock here, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I also attached the strap. Yeah, this strap, I also attached it. So you guys, you can use my code to get some dollars off when you want to get this bag or any other bag on the website. Honestly, it doesn't have to be this bag, it can be any bag on the website. And under the bag, okay, they actually put some tabs just to protect the iron, and the iron has Louis Vuitton engraved on it. So this is what it looks like. Can you guys see the details? I just thought I should show you guys this bag and give you a mini review because y'all, I'm a fan of this bag. I love it so much, and they have other amazing bags, lovely bags. You guys should go ahead and check their website for more beautiful bags like this.